Alright, boys, we're gonna do a little backtesting session. I'm not profitable. I got my first payout last month on the 16th, I believe. And ever since then, I've been going on a little bump in the road, but that's why we're here backtesting. I know I have a good win rate backtesting. I've done it before plenty of times, so I just gotta stay consistent, follow my rules, stay disciplined, and not react to my emotions. But we're gonna go ahead and do the first week of January of the year 2024 right here at market open right now. So I'm gonna start off on the daily. We're gonna start off on the weekly. We're close to all-time highs. Weekly. So very close to all-time highs. We're inside a weekly gap, but I can definitely see this as a target. Sorry. This weekly FEG top right. Daily. We'll do this as KTH all-time highs. I see we have inverse this bearish gap, so I'm really looking for this as our DO right now. 4 hour. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. 4 hour FEG right here. This is a 4 hour intermediate high. Yes. This is a 4 hour internal low on NQ. Same thing over here. Hourly, we have an hour FEG right here. Oops. 1 hour FEG up here. Hello?
So, okay, bye.
Huh?
Hello, I'm here.
Okay, I'm going.
Goodbye.
Alright guys, we're back. Had to go move my car real quick.
Yes?
No, mom.
No?
No. Alright, what else do I see? I see we're inside a 30-minute, so I'm gonna just put this 30-minute internal high. And I see we have a 30-minute FEG right here. We do have an SMT at the lows. There's also a 15-minute intermediate low. So maybe we'll just drop this out. I don't really care about the SMT for now. 15-minute 15-minute FEG right here. Ooh, shoot. And nothing on there. Alright, let's see what market open does. Well, we already, this is like a, I guess a patty swing. No FEG higher. 2 minute, 1 minute's the highest inversion. We have an immediate inversion with the open low. This is kind of a big wick. I don't know if it's a news candle. But honestly, no, with the target so it's like right here, I wouldn't take it. Okay, so it's like a open low. We do have a 30-second right here. See if this closed. But I don't like ES at all. ES in an intermediate high. It's a nice 5 minute. Yeah, I'd rather wait for this 1 minute to close. Opening lower. Okay, we're just dumping. We're inside a 1 hour. Still kind of respecting this 1 hour. And we're going for this weekly. There is a 1 hour here. But it's so far that I just expect this weekly FEG to get hit. Okay, now do we get a reaction out of this? So it's accumulation, manipulation. I don't know, maybe inside something significant. 20S. Technically, we're still inside this hourly for 5 minutes though. So, let's see. That looks like a 30-second. It is. 30-second IFEG. With an SMT. So we have an SMT at this low to this low. Change the state, no change the state. This looks very bullish though. As you can see, we're in a spot of distribution. So I mean, are we closing back inside this hourly? Yes, we are. It does look like we're gonna respect it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Let's see, we have a 5 minute. We have a 5 minute right here. 5 minute up here, yep. Is that a 5 minute? No, I wouldn't count that. 15 minute closes in 2 minutes. So we will have a 15 minute up here in 2 minutes. And a 15 minute up here. What time are we at? 9:57. We do open 10 o'clock in 2 minutes. But I do like this, so I'm going to take it, and if 10 o'clock opens before we do something, then I will go ahead and manage my risk. So I'm going to just go for this 1.5 to the 5 minute FEG. And let's see how the candles play out. . Okay, still doesn't hit that. 10 o'clock. Bang. So I mean, let's see on this 2 minute, 1 minute makes it look pretty clear. You have accumulation. You have manipulation, and now we're expecting distribution. $30 is our highest time frame inversion. 1 minute, no 1 minute. Going for a simple 1 to 5, targeting this 5 minute. And we do have a 15 minute way up here now. Sorry. Or right here. So I mean, no 15 minute right here. Close super bullish. 30 minute. Let's case study. Let's see if it runs all the way up here. I do think we are very bullish. Let's see, 4 hour time frame. We swept this. Look at this rejection wick right now. Daily. No, I love my TP. Yep, we reject. So we end up rejecting this 15 minute. Targeting this is dumb. I don't know why I said that, but that was a good trade. Locked in, I think it was like 1.5, so 750. Next day. Start off on the weekly. So now we are for sure inside of this weekly FEG. Next target would be this. We are inside of this. I mean, if we get our, I think we want a deeper retrace. This would be a weekly internal low, and this has a crazy weekly end walk. Okay, 4 hour. We swept this 4 hour internal low. So we can't get a reaction out of here. And this ES has still yet to sweep this 4 hour internal low, which would be our next objective. We have a 4 hour up here. 4 hour FEG. Another one up here on the ES. We do have a 4 hour internal low right here. Hourly. We have a 1 hour FEG up here. Expecting to see the same on ES. Right here. 1 hour FEG. 30 minute. This is, I mean, it did close above this 30 minutes, so I wouldn't say that's an internal high. 15 minute. This is a 15 minute internal high. and it's a 15-minute FEG on ES. So we'll just go ahead and see what a market does at open. We already took this 4-hour internal low, then swept this liquidity. We are printing rejection wicks, so we're turtle souping this low, which makes me think we're currently more bullish. I would expect something like up here and then maybe down here, because we are right now in extreme bearish order flow. So I'd want to see market open high, hit this ES, hit the 15-minute fair rally gap. Hopefully we'll generate some liquidity and we'll seek this internal low. I'm gonna look for an hourly target on ES, even though it is far ahead, far away. A target could be this hourly rejection block, 1 hour RB. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. We edged that 1 hour RB. So, oops. Oh no. How do I go back? What the? That's crazy. There we go. Let's market open. No. Zoom to 9:30 again. Skip a couple more candles and let's market open. Okay, so market open takes out this low again, hits that 1 hour RB. Did we hit anything here? I mean, it looks like we could still respect this 4 hour internal low, so we are respecting that. Do we have a 2-minute, 3-minute, 30-second? There is a 30-second that inverses up here, way up here though. Was there a 15-second here? I mean, yes, this is 9:30, opens low with a high close, so I am expecting this. But I don't take 15 seconds. So another sweep. Could be a 30-second here. This looks nicer. So we inverse this. Hop on 30-second. Nice clean inverse, but ES is rejecting it pretty bad, so I would wait for another candle. Yep, rejection. There is a CISD now, no SMT. Hello?
Loser to buy at Kohl's.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I don't like that. Five minute internal high. So we have a SMT. It's a pretty big SMT. Manipulate the high with another SMT. Do we have anything that could help us distribute here? No. 30 second. There was a 30-second here. And we technically reversed this 1 minute too. But ES is actively taking out all our fucking targets. So there's SMT up here. Well, I really don't like that, and I feel like I would not take that. Although this is very nice LRL. Let me just see how this stops there. Targeting literally just as LRL for a 1-to-1. Does look very good. I mean, look at this candle. It looks like we're gonna continue dumping. So do I really care about that SMT? Not really. Not enough to fade my conviction. Strong candle closure. So I'm thinking we just follow this move, take out this LRL, and run higher. That SMT is no bueno. We are getting a bullish reaction. And let's see what it does. I think we just gotta go with it. We made the decision. Stop loss or TP. Stop loss. So I think this LRL just got to me. But if we are, yeah. That was a dumb loss on my part. Because if we go to this 1 minute, it is inside of a FEG. Makes it little high resistance. No reason I should be targeting this unless I get a clear spot of distribution. We also hit this 1 hour RB. Hit that. So yeah, that was a dumb loss. Let me just go ahead and see if I see anything else. Which would then be, I need to see the ES in a spot of distribution. This is not looking like a good day so far. Look at this chop. Comp. Nope. Nope. News at 10 o'clock. I kind of expected that, but there's no IFEG here. No IFEG. This is a SMT with data high inside. It finally hit that 15 minute. We're bearish, and we go straight for our target on both assets. So I mean, what could you have done? I mean, you have a 30-second CISD right here. Didn't like it too much. I'm just going to the next day. Take that L on the chin. I lost 1 hour. I'm still up 250. Dumb loss on my part. Very dumb loss. Very avoidable. We are going to this NWAG. We just took out this. I'm gonna just tell myself that we're in a spot of distribution on ES without marking it. 4 hour. Well, we have a daily gap up here. hour FEG. With LRL leading up to it. This is a 4-hour internal high. Take anything of significant. Oh yeah, we're in a spot of distribution. Is this SMT, 1 hour? We do have this 1 hour up here. No 1 hour on ES. It's just LRL. 30-minute. There's a 30-minute with relative equal lows. Is that a gap? No. There's a 30-minute right here. See what market open does. I am bearish, but I can see a retracement. Open low, open high, I mean. Tap that 30-minute. Let me see if I missed something on ES. Nothing. There's a 5-minute maybe. I mean, we're inside a 5-minute. What's it defending? An internal 5-minute internal high. Inside a 5-minute. SMT with the internal. No 30-second. Way down here. Nope. I would want to resweep this high. Five-minute equal lows on ES. And there's a 5-minute right here. Choppy price action. Do we have an SMT? We do have an SMT. Nope. ES took out this 5-minute NQ took out this 5-minute internal low. Respecting this 1-minute, 2-minute IFEG, 3-minute, 2-minute. Ooh, that 2-minute just killed it, but with the CISD. I mean, what's stopping price now from going up here? I really see nothing except nothing. Let me see this 15-minute. We're gonna hit this 15-minute internal high soon. 30-minute FEG here. So I mean, I do see this as a free break even. No, I don't like this RR. We're gonna hit this 30-minute. I'm gonna take it. We hit that 15-minute internal. ES has to take out this 30-minute. Yep, there it is. Set another 30-minute. Both assets in a spot to distribute lower. Consolidation, manipulation. We're in close proximity to this 1 hour. Oh, it's a fresh 1 hour, so we don't have to hit this 1 hour. But we are in a discount to be shorting. Swing high, swing low. No, we hit premium. There's that 30-second IFEG. So make sure there's no 1 minute. We did have a stop hunt inside the 1 hour FEG and a stop hunt inside this 30-minute. So let's just find our targets. 5-minute FEG. No 5-minute all the way down here. 15-minute. No, that would be our targets. For a 1.68 RRR. I'm gonna take this. LRL. Leading up to a 5-minute. See what I did wrong here. 15-minute closed. Very bullish and closed above these gaps. 30-minute. It was 10:15 maybe. That's a good one. What does 10:15 do? 10:15 has to manipulate. So I think I was just a part of that manipulation on 10:15. And this could be our real move. One more. Yep, this is our real move. I was part of the manipulation of 10:15 with an SMT. And now I'm really expecting this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this again. 10:15 open high. I don't have no break-even structure here, so it's just full TP or stop loss. Nothing for price to eject off. Bang. So I have to be aware of my high time frame candle opens. That's what I did wrong right there. Where's 10:15? $10.15 gives us a little high, but that's nothing. And then close down. We need to see better manipulation. Then we get an SMT inside of our key level. hope you guys see that I'm learning from this. So we have little manipulation or accumulation, manipulation, expecting this distribution, and we are in bearish order flow. So now I am expecting this NWAP. I'm gonna play out price to see what price does. Hit that 1 hour and we just run higher. So that was a perfect TP. We don't hit the 5-minute on ES. We just create an SMT, causing us to go higher. Let's see the analytics real quick. So I turned this day green by taking another trade. I think right now my max trades for the day is 2. I've been doing that in live markets, and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I should be locking myself out after one trade, but I mean that one I noticed right away that I was a part of the 10-15 manipulation, seen the second opportunity and decided to go for it. So let's just go back. Got 4 days left. Ugh. Weekly time frame. Still in this weekly FEG. I'd want to see us go lower. We're very in premium. And I guess, yeah, we're very in premium. Daily. Daily FEG. We hit this NWALK, so this is a good spot to distribute. We're inside a daily. We have another day. We have a daily up here. Four-hour. We're inside a 4-hour right now. We are very much in discount though, so I hope this 4-hour fails. I'm seeing this daily fair value gap as our draw, major draw. This is a 4-hour internal low, internal high. This is a 4-hour FEG. Hourly. These are 1-hour internal highs. We are inside a 1 hour. We're inside a 1 hour as well right now with 30 seconds to close. So I'm just going to mark that out. This is daily for value gap with relative equal lows. 30-minute. No 30-minute. 15-minute. 15-minute for value gap. I would like us to see us open low, hit this 15-minute for value gap, and we'll target the draws higher. Same thing on ES. See what market open does. Take out the hour internal. we hit a 4-hour FEG on ES. We didn't set anything significant, just this 1 hour, but we got this, what's it defending? LRL. What are we targeting? High resistance. On the 1 minute though, this is extreme LRL. There's our FEG. We have a 2 minute. Yes. We have a 3 minute. Yeah, 4, 5.
Did you go already?
What?
Did you go already?
Am I ready to go already?
No, did you go already?
Go where?
Tutorial.
No, wait. 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take it. We hit the 5 minute on ES as well. 15 minute. Yeah, a 15 minute. At 10 o'clock open, I'm not taking that. Oh, wow.
Are you happy we don't work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Instant version. Out of a key level. I'm taking this. Is ES respecting it? ES inverse it too. Where's our break even here? Good time. Where is 10 o'clock? 10 o'clock. Just opens high. No bottom wick. It does have one ES, but barely. Do I want to go break even? This is a pretty strong candle close. $30 is respectable. Plenty of imbalances. We're very in premium right now. I don't think I want to go break even. My conviction is pretty high. This is a huge imbalance, so I want to kind of fill it. Not going break even. Bang. I kind of don't remember what my target was. I thought it was the 5-minute. What? Bang. Sounds like a good long. Alright boys, I forgot to show the end results. I ended up just doing 4 days because I had to do something. Profit loss up 2.7%, 60% win rate. Definitely could be better. 5 trades. Average R 1.57. What happened on Friday? I messed up on my risk by I don't know what I was targeting. I think I just left it what it was, and it ended up being like a 1.7 R. So in the real markets, I would not have targeted what I was targeting. I targeted nothing. Maybe I could have targeted like the CE of the range, or I would have just gotten a 1-to-1. So I would count this as a 500 because it would have played, and I executed how I would have done it in real market, except my target. This day, the day that I had 2 trades, I honestly would have done that in the real market as well. I seen that with exit liquidity. I seen my wrongdoing right there quick. I entered on a high time frame candle, open, got manipulated, then the real move came. And this loss was it unavoidable? I'm not sure. I don't even remember, but it was, oh well. Take a loss, move on to the next day.